Welcome to our channel. Want to see a fantastic alternative to helium gender reveal balloons? Then you don't want to miss today's video. Cue the intro.
In today's video, our gender reveal balloon will consist of a double stuffed 36-inch balloon, and we're also going to stuff that with confetti to reveal the gender. I'm going to be using the C-clamp and stretch tool. It's made by Conwin. This is a tool that's a special order. You're going to have to reach out to your local balloon supplier and see if they can get that for you. I reached out to SKS Balloon Depot locally, and they were able to get that for me for about $65 Canadian, I believe. But you're gonna have to check with your local supplier. It's a very useful tool. I use it for many things. I also use it to add stones to 36-inch balloons to use them as weights. For more on that, check out our how to make a balloon arch in a pool video, where I actually showed you how to add the stones to the balloons. We'll add the link to the description so you guys can go check it out. We're going to be adding about 16 ounces or 450 grams of 1-inch paper confetti. We're going to be using light blue and also dark blue, as the couple will be expecting a boy. For this part, I recommend that you get somebody else to help you out. That way one of you can stretch the one balloon with the other sliding the balloon with the confetti inside of it. I do this to make sure that the confetti that we have already inside the balloon doesn't get all wrinkled and damaged. But you can do this yourself if you have the C-clamp and stretching tool, if you don't have anyone available to help you at that moment. The best part is that we're going to fill up the balloon with air and not with helium, considering that helium's prices right now are so ridiculous. I inflate this balloon up to 28 inches to make sure that it will fit in any vehicle or that it'll go through any doors, as most of the doors are standard 32 inches, but with 28 inches you know for sure that they're going to fit. This next step was probably going to be the most difficult one, as anyone knows who's worked with a double stuffed 36-inch balloon that stretching the neck and tying a knot is not easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add half of a 260 to the knot, and you guys should watch this part as many times as you can so you see how I tie it. I'm going to add a 260 or half of a 260 to this part to tie the balloon to the rest of the arrangement. Now you want to go ahead and pinch the 260 with your thumb and your index finger, or once you loop over the knot from the 36-inch balloon, you have that 260 caught in that knot. Let's start putting the arrangement together. As you can see, Alex is adding quads of balloons to an IKEA Targard lamp. Now this is the same lamp that we use on our floating teddy. We're gonna add the link down in the description below for more on that. We're aiming for an organic balloon garland look. So Alex is starting to add the base of 11-inch and 16-inch quads all mixed together all the way up to the top. And then she's going to start filling in the base at the bottom, which is where it's going to hold the teddy bear that we're going to be adding as an accent to this arrangement. Now Alex is adding these by grabbing 2 quads and tying half of a 260 to each end. And what she does is she wraps around the 260 around a couple of balloons that are already on the base to support the ones that she's adding with the 260. Now towards the top, it's going to be a little bit different. She just added a quad with a half of a 260 tied to one end, and the other end is tied around the pipe of the lamp, right? And then the other set of balloons that she put on the right side, it was just a pair of balloons, or a duplex as she calls them, and she wraps that around a balloon to give it a little bit more size. For more on how Alex ties the teddy bear to the arrangement, I recommend again that you watch our floating teddy video, as Alex in that video clearly shows how she adds the teddy. It's going to be in a link in the description down below. So to get the 36-inch balloon up on the arrangement, we're going to go ahead and tie it off into the pipe or the lamp. Now, one of the reasons why we use the 260 is because sometimes when you're maneuvering other balloons around and trying to poke your hands in there, you can pop the top balloon of any of the double stuffed balloons. You want to make sure that it's nice and tight and that you tie it at least 2 or 3 times. The next step is to add the 5-inch mini balloons. The way that we do this is we take a quad of 5-inch balloons, tie one end of half of a 260 to it, and then a couple of 5-inch balloons to the other end. You're going to want to make several of these and scatter them accordingly. And the way that you do that is you wrap the 260 around 1 or 2 balloons, preferably 2, just in case the one balloon pops and it doesn't fall off completely. And of course, you can also customize the giant balloon or the 36-inch balloon with vinyl with the preferred message of the client or anything that you might want to recommend. And let us know in the comments below if you would like us to show you on another video how we design and cut the vinyl for our customized balloons. And don't forget to check out the description down below, as sometimes Alex likes to share some knowledge or any tips or advice that you guys may need. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't so already. Click on the notification bell down below to be notified of any new videos that we upload. And also let us know in the comments if you have any ideas or anything that you would like us to make a video on that we can do in the future for you guys. Until next time, peace.